We're experiencing something I've never seen before. Two trout trucks just left here. They dumped a ton of trout into the North Fork Reservoir, and we motored over here and been pulling them out like crazy. These kids over here are fishing right off the dock, and they are freaking out because they're catching giant trout right off the dock right there. And we did our share of damage. Yeah, well, we got our limit, and we're out of here.
Not even 2,000. That's over exaggerating.
Yeah.
Like 200, 300 of them.
Wow.
They were all right here. Boat came to scare them all away. No, none of them on the bike.
Well, you can see them all down there,
Yeah, you can see them.
swimming around. Wow. Yep. A lot of them didn't make it.